Welcome to the Gulag. Today I'm going to be showing you what a ddos is and DOS. So a lot of people has asked me to explain what a ddos and DOS is, and then finally another person asked, so I was just like, I'm just going to make a video on it. Okay, so a DDoS, let's start with that. That means a distributed denial of service attack. So DDoS. A DOS attack means a denial of service attack. So that's sending just one, right? An attack from their PC to your PC or your server. A DDoS attack is when they use multiple. Bro, if you hear my dog, I swear. They use multiple PCs to your PC, which your PC is trash. Your let's just say your monitor is gone now. Okay, like there's no going back from a DDoS attack. Well, I mean there is, but it's slow depending on the time frame. Okay, so now all that's a DDoS attack, right? And it keeps going, all right. So let me explain to you how to do a quote-unquote DDoS attack. Right, okay, so let me explain what a botnet is. So a botnet is basically a bot. So let me just make a bot. So that's a botnet right there. And I can program that botnet to send multiple attacks, right? To your PC, right? Multiple attacks. And then I can create another one. So this is a copycat of that botnet. So that botnet can go, and that botnet can go, and go, and go, and it can repeat. So then, let me erase all that. And then you can have one botnet controlling the other. So let me make that so. Okay, so you got this bot, and you can connect it to the other ones, which is and then okay, and then that signals them to do more attacks while sending another attack to your PC. And I will also be showing you how to run certain attacks to where they don't have a. I'm about to go kill my dog. Alright, so what you want to do is Windows NAR, Windows NAR, bro. Right, okay, so you get that open, okay, and then which will open up your command prompt, which Brent said I use for hacks, but okay. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make yourself look like a hacker, which, obviously, you're not, you're trash, okay. So you want to type in 0A, enter. Alright, so then it'll say that, it should be saying that. So, CA. Alright, that's perfect, it's perfect. And then OA. So it should say all these, right? Which is basically just, it's not really doing anything. So we're going to type in dir/s. So you're probably wondering what that means. You're probably trying to figure out what dir means. That means directory. That leads to wherever you want to go. And that S stands for system. So if we do enter, it'll look like that. You can also do colors. I'm not going to show you on this video. I can make another video on how to do colors. And it'll look all like this, right? So you got all these, basically sending everything that you have stored, everything that you have, etc, right? Everything you have saved, and then. So that's pretty cool, right? But you want to learn how to hack, right? So there's some programs that you should use. Some require access to let me see. Some require Python's help, right? I'll probably make another video explaining how Python works, but some that you can use, and I do recommend, I'll be showing you, okay? A free one is called ques.in. Great. But yeah, it works pretty well. Another one you can do is, let me just go to folders. I don't suggest using UDP Unicorn because that's basically just slowing your own Wi-Fi down. So close, bro. Alright, so hold on. Actions. This is how you do a virus too. Like, if it's saying that there is a virus found, just do that. Okay. Actions, allow device, and that's how it works. So now you can open it. So I hope that helps some people out. And there you go. So this is a random IP, and I'll be explaining. Right, so you got this, okay. Ping target and DNS. So let me go ahead. So you got this, right? Okay. So we're about to start, and it'll send all these texts, right? So delay, okay, perfect. You can do this for access to music. This is trash. Alright, so we're going to do DNS, alright. Ping target. Attack. And you can see what it's doing. It's not saying anything on the command prompt. It's not saying that it's doing anything, right? You see how it's lagging me, right? Like, I can feel my own laptop getting heated, okay? It does probably work, but I wouldn't suggest because it makes yours kind of laggy too. But you can use all these, right? Like,